What's up guys, today is my very first YouTube video and I will be showing you guys how to make these paper fingerboard decks. Okay, so the first thing you'll need is a couple pieces of cardstock or just rough paper, and you're gonna fold your piece into fourths, and then fold it again in half. But first, you probably want to cut it if you're doing cardstock. Then once you're done doing that, you'll get some pieces like these, and so you're gonna take them individually, and you're gonna need some glue like this. I'm using Elmer's glue, and put it into this little container, and I've got a paintbrush to paint on the glue with the different layers. So first one you just put down, and you just paint it with the glue. And it doesn't have to be a lot of glue on the one strip, but it's good if you have a lot. Then you just put your next layer on, and you do the same thing. You paint the glue on, and you just do that with all your pieces of paper. So yeah. Okay guys, and then once you're done with that, you should have this nice thick piece of layered papers right there, and it should be pretty thick. And then once you have this done, it should be a little soggy and like easy to bend and move. Then you take two old tech deck boards, and you put the piece of paper right in the center of both of them, and make sure that you line it up nice and easy, nice and perfect, and then you just push down like that. Then you get your clamp, and you clamp it there for however long you want. I normally clamp for like an hour, and an hour is fine. And then got it clamped shut, and when you clamp it, you want to make sure that you put it in the sunlight so it can dry. Then after we clamp it for an hour, then we hit it with a blower dryer for like 10 minutes, and then you draw your lines, and you should be good to go. So yeah. Okay, while that's drying, I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about how you can make money off this. So a way you can make money off this is sell them at school, and you can like give your friends like the plain ones for like 50 cents or whatever, and then you can like ask some your friends at school like what kind of design they'd like on the back of their tech deck, and you can paint it on or draw it on the back of the tech deck, and then you can get like a little bit more, like maybe $1 for a painted one. So yeah, that's another way you can make money off of these little things. Hey guys, so it's been exactly an hour, and now we are gonna put this thing, put the tech deck to the blow dryer. Here we go. Okay, so here's the blow dryer, and here is the tech deck. So, about ready to do this. So, yeah, I'll show you after. Hey guys, so it is done drying, and now we are gonna outline it with a pencil and then take it off after. So one thing you gotta remember when you're outlining is to put the holes, or to draw where the holes are, or else it'll mess up like the whole thing and you'll probably have to redo it. And so after you outline everything and draw all the holes and stuff, then you can take off the clamp and see how it looks. So here we go. So there goes the clamp, and first one, second one, and we have this nice and fresh, and now you just cut it out. Okay, guys, so we have this rough cut, and looks alright. Now we're just gonna cut off any excess pieces, and we should be good to go. Yeah, pretty good. So there you go. That's how you make a paper tech deck. And like, subscribe, and hit the notifications. I'm all of the above. See you in the next one.